Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying which PIN you need, because the methods differ. If it's the SIM PIN, look at the SIM card sleeve or account paperwork first. That often shows the PUK. If it's the device lock PIN, understand you cannot read it from the phone. Android doesn't expose that. Once that's clear, make sure you have carrier login details and ID ready, because contacting the carrier or using account recovery is the next step. For a SIM PIN issue, log into your carrier account or call support while authenticated. Carriers can provide the PUK, an 8-digit recovery code, after verifying you. Once you have the PUK, enter it to reset the SIM PIN and choose a new 8-digit PIN. Don't guess. 3 wrong SIM PIN attempts will lock the SIM and require the PUK, and 3 wrong PUK attempts can permanently block the SIM. So proceed carefully and verify your identity first. If you forgot the device screen PIN, you cannot recover the existing code. The only practical option is a device erase. Use Google's Find My Device to remotely erase the phone after signing into the same Google account, or perform a factory reset from recovery mode. Both remove the PIN but also erase user data. Once done, sign back into your Google account. If activation or carrier locks appear, contact carrier or provide proof of purchase. That's the key troubleshooting step if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.